7:39 a.m.
No.
and we just left our city to go on a ferry to go 2 hours away to Forks, where they made the Twilight movie.
Well, we're Bella and Edward.
Where we're gonna meet our fucking Edward.
Our Edward Collins.
I just ate a sandwich and I have like crumbs on my fucking mouth. I'm just gonna take you guys along. We're gonna literally spend the whole day out and about, but she's driving, so I'm just gonna take it easy.
Not trusting me, that's what's real. Not at all.
Alright, I'll see you guys when I see you. Oh, and then we have like a bunch of like road trip snacks and like essentials in the bag too. So we're good. I made sandwiches. So
I'm driving with no shoes on.
Oh, poor Gable.
Oh my god.
Alright. I don't know, but hi guys. Oh my god, that was so awkward. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
Hi guys.
We just got to Forks, like the little town, and we stopped by this like little store that had like little, I'm saying everything little, that had like kind of souvenirs from Forks and stuff. I got like kind of like something like this, but instead it says Olympic National Park Forks or something, Forks, Washington. And then I got my family some gifts, and she got herself a mug. I did too though, I did too. It just says Forks, it's so cute. And they're just like little like souvenirs. This one's for my dad because he likes fishing. This one's super cute. It just has like a little bear. This is for my sister. Where's the earrings? Where are my earrings? Okay. And this one is for my mom. They just have like little elephants. I feel like it represents her so well. Okay, now you can see them. They're like the cutest thing ever. It's just so cute. And I feel like it's so my mom. And then I just got like a hat for my dad. Oh my gosh, wait till you guys see the mug. It's so freaking cute, and like I just feel like I'm gonna use it a lot because I'm like a big coffee drinker. Like I'm such an addict. Do you guys see that? You guys see that? It's so cute. It's so cute. So here is the sweater. What do you call this? Sweatshirt.
Well, no, it's a jacket.
Well, it's like a jacket. Yeah, it's kind of like the one I have on right now. It just says Olympic National Park and Forks, Washington. It's so cute. What are you laughing at? Okay, and now we're gonna actually go to La Pouche.
No, we're gonna go to the Swan's house.
Oh, we're gonna go to the Swan's house. We want to go check out like a Twilight house that was in the movie, I think, right?
Yeah, well, I don't know what it exactly is. I think it's Bella's house though, like Bella Swan, right? Honestly, no, I'll look it up, but like, one second.
We'll see. We're like parked in like behind like the little store, but it's just like a cute little town. It's so small, like it's just so small, and there's really no like places to go eat, or I mean there's one Subway, but I saw that one on the map.
Yeah,
I haven't like seen it like we like drove by. But I've been eating a ton. I ate like so much this morning. I ate 2 donuts with like a sandwich I made and like I had 2 coffees. But yeah, and I've been like retouching my makeup because today I just literally went so natural. I didn't even do like foundation or anything. I'll see you later. Do you guys see the chips in the bag?
You see the mess in the bag?
You seen the mess in the bag? Those are the essentials though. We'll save those for later, but yeah.
Photos are welcome, but please do not trespass. This is private residence.
Stuff on the in the windows.
That scared the fuck out of me.
I know. I was like, what the fuck?
Please be respectful of our neighbors and do not park in or turn around in their driveway. See, Bella Swan.
Built
Bella's
in 1905.
house. Yeah.
This car's from Nevada.
Nevada. And I'm from Washington, bitch.
It's like secluded. There's like no one on the street right now.
Are you team Jacob or Edward?
I think I'm team Jacob. I'm Jacob. I think.
God damn.
I don't know. I just like his like color, skin tone. And like the muscles. Because Edward is just like kind of skinny.
You don't like a scrawny boy for you?
Not really. She likes Colin. She's team Colin. You're team Colin, right?
Honestly, I don't know. I have to rewatch the movies to figure out.
Dude, but the sun's out. The sun's out. So we're gonna go to La Pouche next.
See, you know we're not vampires because we're in our home forks and we're not glistening in the sun right now.
I'm not in the sun though.
We'll see.
Thank you too. We stopped by this like little coffee shop called Mocha Motion, and she got like a, what is this, Lotus? And I got a what was mine again? It was like a
white chocolate mocha.
I got a white chocolate, a white mocha. I think it was a white mocha. I'm not sure if it was chocolate, but mine was so good. Mine was super good. But we're gonna go
throw some things away, and then we're gonna go to
La Pouche. La Pouche. La Pouche. We're back at the transit center.
We came to the trash can.
We originally came for me to use the bathroom.
Now we're back to throw away some fucking old Starbucks. But you know, we're bougie like that.
Mine's super good though. Like, if you come to Forks, go to Mocha Motion. And I mean, I definitely recommend this one. Rate your drink. 0 out of 10. The Lotus. What was it though? Like strawberry? Is that
yeah, no, it's tropical fusion. I don't know, like.
I mean, mine's like a 9, like 9.5. So
yeah. I don't know. From the Lotuses I'm used to, I would give it a 5 out of 10 because it's not like. It's not like
be honest.
near it.
Okay.
It's not like.
Okay, so get coffee then.
Yeah, just get a coffee.
Get a coffee. Get a frappuccino. You're a pro climber.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop our walking skills.
So I need to go to the bathroom really quick, and she does too. So we're just gonna go to this.
From you, running on a stair.
She was like, she took like 100 pictures of me, and I just was not satisfied. So no, but we're gonna go to this restaurant, kind of like in this little like town thing near like the coast. And dude, we just saw the Pacific Ocean. Like actually the Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, that is.
Not just like a bay.
Woo, it's warm.
And I just put up my hair. It looks like a mess, but we're gonna try them. I'm pretty sure. Are they good? Is it good?
Yeah.
It's homemade. Oh my god. I should have got the giant one.
You're like, I like this shit.
It looks scary, but I like put my hair up because it was in my way. But this is so good. It's homemade ice cream. But it's really good. I'm happy.
Guess what?
What?
I don't need a GPS anymore.
You know the way?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, shit. Okay.